Okay, Tash and I are going to the Adelaide Fringe. And today I have the Sigma 50mm 1.4. I'm going to be testing it out on some portraits in low light situations. Because I'm looking at getting this lens for wedding photography mainly, and selling the Sigma 14mm for it. So we're going to go to the city. Unearthly Delights, Tash and I. We've just been playing with the Sigma 50mm 1.4, getting some photos here, and it's been working really well. I'll flash a few photos on the screen right now of what we've got. So we got this balloon here that we were playing with, and we got some fairy floss that we were going with as well. So yeah, it's been fun, but I think we're going to head back now and see what happens. So we'll see you guys in a sec. So we had to get media passes to shoot in here. It was a bit weird and it required some paperwork, but it's pretty cool having an official photo ID. So yeah, we're leaving now. We'll see you guys back at the house. So we're back at my girlfriend's place now, hence the flowers. So I just swapped back over to my Sigma 35mm because 50mm is a bit close for vlogging in here. But I am really impressed with this lens. As you can see on the screen right here, the photos come out really good. So the right one there is the photo after I've edited it, and the left one is before I edited it. So for every single photo I had the aperture at 1.4. That's why I want this lens, is for that 1.4 aperture. So for these photos I was on ISO 1000 with shutter speed 1/500 because I want a sharp image at the end of the day, and that's just like the style I like to go for. So I was happy to sacrifice the ISO a little bit for the shutter speed. When I chucked it into Lightroom, I chucked up the luminance anyway onto 100 and the detail on 67 and sharpened it up a little bit, and that helps me get a really nice image there. The autofocus was actually struggling quite a bit when I was using this lens in some situations, especially in those low light situations, which is a little bit of a downfall. My friend who has this lens told me that he went through 3 of these lenses before he found the right one, and that's just to do with Canon not releasing their autofocus algorithm and Sigma having to guess it and sometimes failing. So that's why the autofocus is not great. But I really enjoyed using this lens, and I'm probably going to go ahead and buy one because like the photos I got with it I'm really happy with. I don't really do this style of photography too much when I'm like at a fair or low light situation, but I guess if I had this lens I would do it more. Tomorrow I have some interviews that I'm going to be shooting with this lens, and I guess that'll be the real test to whether or not I get this lens. I also want to use it for wedding photography mainly, so maybe I might try some portraits during the day with these flowers here with my girlfriend. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more content, make sure you subscribe and like this video and leave a comment letting me know what you thought. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.